Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to bring to you guys an unboxing of the Series 7 Apple Watch, but this is a very special one. It's the gold one, and it's got the sapphire screen with the stainless steel body. Now, before I continue, this cost me over 1,200 Australian dollars. So if you appreciate that, and I gotta let you know I fund everything myself, please do subscribe and like the video. All right, without further ado, let's continue this. So they've made it a tiny bit slimmer than Series 5. So Series 5 was a bit thicker than this. Series 6 was about the same size, the box. So if you look at there, so I don't want anyone to comment, because on my video there's people commenting always, oh, that's not a gold, that's rose gold, so gold. Okay, Apple doesn't do rose gold anymore. I think the last rose gold they did was with the Series 3. The original ones, not the ones they are doing anymore. Okay, so let's get this opened up for you guys. Okay, so very much the same inside here, nothing too special. Okay, and that's a bit of a hard paper to keep it together. That's what it comes with, a band and the Apple Watch. Now this is the 45 millimeter. So if you remember, Series 3 was the last one with the 42 millimeter being the biggest one. Then Series 4 was the first one with the 44 millimeter, and this is going to be the first one with the 45 millimeter. All right, let's get the unboxing of the. Let's keep the suspense going actually, and we'll unbox the band first. So this is the Solo band, and the exact name for it is the Solo Loop braided. Okay, braided Solo Loop, and I think the color is yellow, but I bet they call it like ginger or maize or something like that, and it'll have it somewhere here. All right, now that's basically it. There's nothing to show you guys on here for that. Yeah, I'm sure they can get the band in here somehow, but I think they pair it up because of the studio where you actually pair up any band with the Apple Watch. I had to wait for this a long time because this had to come from China. It didn't come from Sydney. Normally it comes from Sydney, but this one came from China. Now this part is really thick, and I feel like there's some metals in here. If you guys can see, there's metal in there. I don't know what the metal is for. Anyways, I will not worry about the metal for now. Oof, that is really cool. Okay, so let's get the paperwork out of the way. So braided Solo Loop. Okay, I'm liking it so far, and I don't remember if I've ordered size 7 or size 5 and things like that, but let's get the Apple Watch underway. So this is the gold. I'm gonna try and open it from the one end instead of both ends and see if I can open it. Yup, very simple, nothing over this side. That's where everything is. Designed by Apple. Alrighty, yeah. So that's the Apple Watch itself, and you get some of the booklets and no stickers. Okay, you get a charger with it as well. Alright, so that's the basic charger. Alright, let's open this up as well, because this is the special charger you get with it that you can fast charge it. I don't know how to open this without wrecking it. Oh yeah, there you go. That wasn't too hard. Okay, so it's USB-C now. Okay, it's USB-C to magnetic charger. And okay, how do you get this out without ripping it? Normally they always have a system to everything. I think you just push it out, but let's do that. Okay, so that's out. Let's pull this out. Okay, beautiful. All right, so let's look. So it's got the stainless steel. No, yes, maybe. Got no plastic. No, so it's got a matte finish. So it's not got the stainless steel shiny finish. Still got metal, not plastic. So if you guys know, if you order the base version of the Apple Watch, non-stainless steel, non-titanium, non Hermes edition, you get the plastic white bit in the back, but this is the fast charging, 33% faster charging one. Okay, now by the way, I've got a Milanese loop in gold as well. Please do comment in the video and let me know if you guys want to see this paired up with that, because that's in gold as well. And yeah, and if you guys would really like that. So before, they used to have this really soft, beautiful cloth. Now it's just paper. Okay, all right, so that's your Apple Watch here in gold. Let me just show you guys the difference in size. So I've got a Series 6 here. Now, if you guys want to know what's my favorite case, it's the one I've got on my Apple Watch now. It's the absolute best. It's rubber, it's not plastic. It saves my life. Last Apple Watch I broke the screen of was a Series 2, and it cost me nearly as much as the Apple Watch to fix it. So let's look at the size. So the size, it does feel this one is tiny bit higher, okay, but width is the same. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, but other than that, let's look at the gold. So it's a very, 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 very slight gold tint to it, okay? Doesn't feel like, it's almost silverish, okay? Let me know. I've got an Apple Watch stainless steel and silver, the shiny one. So let me know if you guys want to see this paired up against that and see if the gold stands out a bit more. But that's basically it. Everything is the same as the Series 6, just a bit taller. All right, let me know what you guys thought about my unboxing and what you guys would like me to pair this up against in my review and things like that. Please do comment, like, and subscribe. Take good care. Bye-bye.